What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got the FuelTech. Already started getting some of the stuff out of here, but bring you along on this one. Here is the actual ECU right here. Really excited about this. It's got a nice dust cover piece and this mounting bracket right here. Got this dust cover. Pulled that off, and we have the ECU right here. Got two plugs on the back. So, got the FuelTech itself. This is the FT550, as you see right there. Put this back in this nice little cover.
Thanks FuelTech for supporting an awesome band.
Yeah, this is kind of our announcement of FuelTech is now added to the list of our sponsors. So thank you to FuelTech for helping us out on this one. We've got that, the bracket.
Decal.
We have all of these, some sensors, bunch of wiring here. Got Davis Technologies drive shaft sensor there. And then the collar. And we have here a bunch of small FuelTech stickers. Got flash drive for whatever, the tunes or anything that you can put on there. And then this is your laptop cable. This plugs into the back of the ECU. Got all that. And then got this, which is a little, like a badging deal that would stick. That was sticky. To put that on somewhere. Badging. And then we got some keychain. And some isolating things, mounts, and some screws. Stuff to mount it. So, yeah, thank you to all the people over at FuelTech for everything they do. Be putting these on the car later. So, yeah, let's get to the unboxing here. Get some more of these things opened. Go check out some of the sensors.
Yeah.
So, here you can see got this pressure sensor. This is 150, so this will be for what other no, this will be oil pressure, right?
Fuel and oil, we got two of them.
There's one. Get the other one open here. Got two sensors.
PS 150s.
Yep. Go up to 150 PSI. So, plenty for the fuel pressure. Should be plenty for the oil pressure. Then we have water temperature plug. Or is this the water temperature plug? These are for the pressure sensors. There. Then we have the water temperature sensor here. And then the plug for that. And then we have the, what was this?
The plug for this, transmission temp.
The trans temp sensor goes up to 300 degrees.
And there's a lot more you can do, but we're just getting started, that's for sure.
Yes, there are people running crazy things off of this stuff, and we're trying to get as much use out of this, so it'll be cool to do. Get our drive shaft stuff. Can you reach it? The drive shaft sensor. We gotta get the collar too. Got this, the drive shaft pickup, and then that will plug in to one of the harnesses. So that is cool. Got this from Davis Technologies. And then there's the plug. Gotta build that. Here it is. How did it end up in that box? I don't know, but here's our drive shaft collar. Right here. Open that up real quick. Here you go. This will just bolt over the yoke. As you can see, if you guys can see that. Don't know if you guys can, probably not. Davis Technologies, 2.5-inch collar. So, yeah, that's about it. Thank you to all of the people at FuelTech for all of this stuff. Gotta go get my shirt on. Be back in a second. Alright, so we got the FuelTech manager open here on the laptop, and now we got the FuelTech plugged it in. There it is. FuelTech FT550 pulling off the thing. Wow, cannot read that at all. There you go.
Do you want to run the configuration wizard?
Yeah.
Yes.
PSI, Fahrenheit. It's got to go through all this stuff. Alright guys, here it is on the screen. Obviously we have it hooked up to nothing, so that's just nothing here. But we have all this stuff. We got RPM, temperature, fuel pressure, trans temp, oil pressure, and then starter, and then 6 other switches. Hoping to use this kind of as a switch panel. Then you got battery, data logger on off. You got delay 1, your dial, their dial, and then drive shaft RPM. And then just tap up here. There's our delay, our dial, their dial, and then back to there. And then if you just hit right here, it brings you to the main menu, which is where you can change all of the other stuff. Just there you go. So keep working and see if we can figure some other stuff out. Alright guys, continuing to mess with the FuelTech here, and we're working on the startup screen piece. So we got that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we got that all set up. Got all 8 of our switches on here. Night, day, got a start, momentary switch, stop, and then all of our stuff there, RPM. So yeah, pretty nice. Alright guys, so here on the FuelTech practice tree, not good. Oh, 18. I can't judge a light, but it's really cool that this FuelTech has a built-in delay box, bump up and down, and a built-in practice tree. So using this FuelTech, this thing is awesome. Alright guys, just want to say a big thank you to FuelTech once again for everything that they've done to help get this thing to where it is now, with all of the wiring and everything that they have, and all of the sensors and everything. So big thank you to FuelTech. Got some parts in for sensors and wiring and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And here's a preview of what's to come.